Letter H. The sound of letter H is H for hat, horse, honey, hamburger. The story of Harry and his horse. Harry is from Holland. Harry eats a lot of hot burgers. That has made him fat. Burgers are not healthy, says Harry's father. Eat these hazelnuts and honey. Jog to keep you fit. Harry jogs and his horse runs with him. Harry gets tired. He pants and sweats like a horse. Let's sing along. Hungry Harry on a jog, sweating and panting like a horse.